Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Ron Five Myers, your uplifting life partner. I wanted to come talk to you guys real quick about the passion test, which was created by Janet Attwood, which I think is a powerful procedure that she came up with. But personally, I wouldn't call it a passion. I personally say it's just pursuing those things that you want that are in the top of your list, because I believe personally your passion is learning to enjoy every moment that you have here on this earth. That is everyone's passion. The world has tried to make it sound like this big mystical thing that we're after, but it's not. Learn to enjoy every moment you're here on this earth. And I think that's everyone's true passion. Now, in terms of going after the things that you want, which will add to this journey, I think it's an incredible procedure. Basically, what she says is you take maybe 5 to 10 things. Well, take 10 things, put them, just write them down. What are like top 10 things you can be inspired by, spiritually, material, just 10 things, relationships, it doesn't matter. And then the bottom line is come up with those 10 things. Then what you're going to do is take number one, compare it to number two, and say out of those two things, if you could only have one, which one would you take? So let's say you take number two. So now you take number two and compare it to number three. Out of those two, which would you take? And if you say still number two, then you add number two and you take it down and compare it to number four. And you just do that. And the bottom line is you do that. When you get to the bottom, let's say you come up with number two is the top one that you want. Okay, that's one item. Go back and do that again. But number two is now taken out of the contest because it's already the top priority that you have. And now you're going to take the 9 that are remaining, do that procedure again, and come up with which is number two. And the bottom line is you're going to come up with maybe your top 3, and those are the things that you start to focus your energy on. And that's why I said I've never seen a procedure, it explained that way as far as getting clarity. But folks, it makes a lot of sense. And you sit there, and then when you're doing your dream boards and you're doing your visualizations and you're doing that kind of stuff, you're now focused on 2 to 3 items that you're bringing into existence versus being scattered all over the world and you got 10 things in your mind and you're not really focused on anything, which means you're probably not putting the actions in place to make those things become a reality. Not that I'm saying action has to be done, because it'll come anyway, but then that comes to the law of allowing, where you have to not block it mentally. And when you have too many things going on, a lot of time you find yourself actually blocking things from actually coming into existence. So again, hopefully that makes a lot of sense. If not, I've written down exactly how the same illustration, and it is a powerful method. So enjoy the journey, and as you guys know, it ain't right, it ain't wrong. It is my opinion. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.